Hello friends, this is Dr. Vijay Sridhar. I am speaking about particles in the atmosphere, which is aerosols. The learning objective of this lecture is to understand the sources type of atmospheric particles, to expose the reader to different type of aerosols condition in atmosphere, and to enable the reader to understand aerosols with various facets in atmospheric system, including pollution. And in last, readers will be enabled to understand the formation and growth of atmospheric particles in atmosphere. A large number of solid liquid particles species are found in the atmosphere. So aerosol is defined as a dispersion of solid or liquid particles of microscopic size in gaseous medium with low settling velocities. So example of such particles or compounds such as smoke, fog or mist. So and size ranges of such particles ranges from few nanometer to several micrometers. The important for understanding about atmospheric chemistry and physics, the biosphere, climate and public health, these aerosols play a very important role in Earth and in atmosphere. So aerosol particles scatter and absorb solar and terrestrial radiation. They are involved in the formation of clouds and precipitation as cloud condensation and ice nuclei, which is shortly called as CC and ICN, and they affect the abundance and distribution of atmospheric trace gases by heterogeneous chemical reaction and other multiphase process. These aerosols are ubiquitous in their presence and they are necessary for different atmospheric process also, but the concentration may resultant into different environmental aspects, including climate change and global warming. Based on their formation process, aerosols are either primary or secondary. Primary aerosols are directly emitted to the atmosphere, such as different gases or particles which are left off in the atmosphere because of high wind erosion. Secondary aerosols are formed in the atmosphere by gas to particles conversion process, so such as different gas to particle conversion of SO2 to SO4 in particle phase called resultant into secondary inorganic aerosols. Based on their sources, aerosols are either natural or anthropogenic. So natural aerosols are emitted as a result of process in the nature such as wind-blown dust, pollen, plant fragments, sea salt, sea spray, volcanic emission or forest fire. Anthropogenic aerosols are somehow related to human activities such as combustion of the fossil fuel or fossil fuel burning, industrial process, traffic, burning of biomass or biofuel and agriculture activities, etc. All these activities are generating comparatively low aerosol, but the impact is magnified because of the crossing of threshold aerosol limit. Thank you.